What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Richman Rashad, guys, and welcome back to another video, bro. Today, bro, we're gonna talk about how you use work or how it works makes you really super attractive to the women that you wanna attract in your life. Man, hear me out, bro. I wish I knew this sooner, man. I wished I knew this sooner. I wished I put myself first before I ever put any shorty first. Now hear me out. When you are obsessed with your work, when you only think about getting better in your head, bro, the shorty's like, damn, bro. Wait, what about me? You don't got time for me? All of a sudden now her whole attitude is gonna change, bro. As a man, the only thing you should be doing, bro, is chase that bag, bro. Chase money, get you in a good physique. I'm always gonna be talking about that, bro. Get you in a good physique. Get yourself a good physique, bro. Chase money, don't chase women. I'll actually go further and debate. Don't even chase money. Just chase for excellence, greatness. Just chase to be something better than you were yesterday, bro. Because the moment you put yourself first, the moment you say that, you say, you know what, man, let me focus on myself, man. Let me just do what I need to do. Let me just work on myself. Let me just do things that I need to do to become the man of my own vision. Because us men are most powerful tool, or our most powerful power is our vision, bro. Our vision is what makes us, because we can visualize things. We can vision ourselves becoming great. We can vision ourselves becoming the greatest of the greatest, bro. All it takes is vision. Women's don't got that. What women's got is how they visualize themselves being with a man that has a great vision. The women don't date you. They date your ideas. That's what they date, my boy. And if I'm lying, let me know down in the comment what you think about that piece of knowledge I just dropped there, bro. Women don't date you. They date your ideas. That's what they date. The ideal guy, or what he pretended to be. I like what he pretend to be. I like how he thinks he is. Your idea is what they date, not you. That's what they say. Looks don't matter in a man, bro. Yes, it's gonna get you through the door. Don't get me wrong. The looks is gonna get you there. But your idea, though, your vision. Because a man without a vision is a poor man. I'm gonna say it one more time. A man without a vision is a poor man. As a man, you need a vision. Vision is what makes you powerful. Work, you need a vision. Once you visualize, you can start putting the work in. If you don't visualize, how do you expect to plan? Because when you vision, you start planning, then you put the work in. But with no vision, there's no plan, there's no work. And only work is going to make you attract the woman that you want. Because when you focus on yourself, when you're working on yourself, when you dedicate it every single time of the day on yourself, they're going to be like, damn, hey, how your day been? You don't give them that much attention. When they're doing dumb shit, you don't even look at their way. You're doing what you think you should be doing to become the great version of your own self. And that's facts. Don't date women just because you feel lonely or you just want some piece of booty, bro. Listen, not all booty is good booty anyway, bro. And mommy, if you're watching my channel again, get off. But she be attacking me, bro. Not all booty is great booty, bro. I'm gonna say it one more time. Not all booty is great booty. I want you to think about that. Just because some come easy to you doesn't mean you need to smash it, bro. Take it from me. Just because it's easy, you're not supposed to get in there, bro. Sometimes it's a test from the most high. Sometimes it's a test for the most divine, bro. You're testing your light to see how dark you can go, bro. Sometimes you don't go for it. You have to restrain yourself. Be like, you fuck it. Your boy might be like, damn, bro, you tripping, bro. She bad. But what are you getting from that, bro? What do you get from smashing a shorty, bro? Please let me know down in the comment. What do you get from that? Like, I reach a point where I start to think, like, damn, what am I getting from smashing shorties anyways, bro? What am I getting from there? I get tired. She got all the energy. That's it. What are we getting, bro? Just post-nut clarity? Then you're like, damn, shit, fuck, I need to get back on my work. I know, hear me out. If you feel like you needed to relieve stress, you need to just calm down, bro. Find your partner that when you feel like you need to do the need, bro, you do that, bro. But I know most men, mommy, get off. Most men would rather be one off before they deal with a shorty. I'm not getting no pity booty. I'm not doing that, bro. What? We not gonna do that. If it's not great, if I don't feel attracted to it, if I don't feel like damn, like shorty really like bro, I'm not going no near that, bro. And that's stamped. You dig? It's stamped, bro. You ain't supposed to go between everything, bro. Not all hoes great hole, bro. Some hole gonna suck you. You gonna be like, what the hell is going on? Where am I? She gonna suck you dry, nigga. Succubus. That's the reason why they call some girls succubus, bro. This shit real. It's in the spiritual field. You can't see it with your naked eye. It's mental. Lock in, bro. But yo, let's go back. If y'all want to hear more about that, bro, let me know down in the comment, bro. We'll go deep in the spiritual realm, sexual energy and stuff like that, bro. But bro, work. If you woke up today, make sure you, bro, work on your body, work on your business, work on your project, whatever you have, bro. Just do the work. Like Nike said, just do it. Whatever you want to accomplish, bro, just do it, bro. And that's the end of the video. Let me know what you think down in the comment, bro.